Hello, brave, beautiful, beloved soul friends. Thank you so much for joining me for these new content creations. I'm super excited to share this with you. During my great expansion of love, I cultivated new diagrams to explain unconscious body-minds in fresh ways. I divulge deep dynamic depths of these details in my book, Liberated Consciousness, which you can find out more about at kristinwindsor.com/liberated. The following affirmation series brings to life the personification of subconscious parts according to my liberated consciousness diagram. There are 4 subconscious regions where distinct styles of subconscious parts experience unique regions of neural wiring. The sculpting of this implicit data especially correlates with 4 distinct attachment systems, which you can find out more about in the first thesis statement of my implicit revelations case study. Part of how I cultivated these concepts was by experiencing these subconscious parts as independent states of consciousness. You can find out more information in my known documentary series, where I share my personal healing journey and my implicit revelations case study with all of the magic that I have learned along my magical, miraculous healing journey. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for being you. And may every part of your miraculous consciousness be lovingly liberated into the fullness of all that you truly are. Blessings, soul friends.